Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Me, myself, Ali Najma Fuad and my group members happily and excitedly to present and share with you guys the video presentations of our group, and our topic is volumetric analysis in cosmetic industry. But before we start, let me introduce my group members behind this magic. In this group presentation, we have 5 members behind the magic. The first one is Muhammad Amir Hakimi. The second one is Muhammad Amir Adib. The third one is Haziq Akmal. Next, the fourth one is Muazzaf Fakriyah. And the last one is Alia Najma, which is myself.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Amir Adib bin Khairul Anwar. Today we will talk about volumetric analysis in the cosmetic industry. So, volumetric analysis is any quantitative chemical analysis method known as volumetric analysis, which more correctly is known as titrometric analysis. It determines the amount of substance by measuring the volume that it occupies, or in more general usage, the volume of a second substance that combines with the first in non-proportion. What is cosmetic industry? The manufacturing and distribution of cosmetic products is referred to as the cosmetic industry. This consists of color cosmetics like mascara and foundation, skincare product like cleanser and moisturizers, hair product like shampoos, conditioners and hair colors, and bedroom supplies like bubble baths and soap. So when we talk about volumetric analysis in cosmetic industry, we will go over the use of liquid and solid liquid extraction, metric solid phase extraction, solid phase extraction, pressurized liquid extraction, liquid and solvent based micro extraction techniques, and ultrasound assisted extraction. It will also cover the latest development as well as upcoming trends, such as the creation of novel materials and environmentally friendly solvents.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Amir Hakimi. In this part, I'm gonna talk about theory of titration. Basic concept. There are two basic concepts in titration. The first one is the principle of stoichiometry. The second one is chemical equivalency principle. Now we move to the primary component. There are 4 primary components in titration. The first one is analyte. The second one is titrant. The third one is indicator. And lastly, the equivalent point. Now, let's move to another part, theory of titration. Titration technique. The titrate is measured and displayed using a burette up till the endpoint is reached. The titrate is added gradually while being stirred. The usual method for identifying the endpoint include visual sign, pH meter, or other suitable technique. Now I'm going to talk about field of use. What are the basically titration used for? The first one is analytical chemistry. The second one is cosmetic industry. And lastly, a wine industry. The objective. The purpose is to ensure that the completed product conform with the desired specification and legal requirement. The main concept. There are 4 main concepts in this part. The first one is acid and active substance. The second one is content of preservative. The third one is measurement of pH. And lastly, the acidity or alkalinity.
For methodology, the first one, we need to clean glassware with distilled water to remove impurities. The second one, we have to prepare a standardized acid solution of known concentration, noting the amount needed. The third one, we have to measure an accurate volume of the diluted sample using a pipette or flask. Next is add phenolphthalein indicator to the sample and set up the burette with the acid solution. Record the initial volume, then stir the sample while slowly adding acid from the burette. We also must watch the color change of the solution. It will turn colorless when the reaction is nearly complete. Now, add acid drop by drop until the color change become permanent, indicating the reaction is finished. After After that, record the final burette volume and use it with the known acid concentration to calculate the amount of active ingredient in the sample. Watch for the color change of the solution. It will turn colorless when the reaction is nearly complete. The last one is repeat the titration 2 more times for accuracy. Average the results to find the active ingredient concentration.
Next, for the example of result titration in cosmetic industry, determination of salicylic acid concentration. First, for the preparation, we need to dissolve a known amount of the cosmetic product in ethanol or another suitable solvent. Next, we prepare a sodium hydroxide, which is NaOH, as the titrant. For the titration, place the dissolved sample in a flask, add a few drops of phenolphthalein as an inductor. Secondly, titrate with the NaOH solution until a persistent pink color indicates the endpoint, which means the salicylic acid has been neutralized by the base. For the result will be obtained by performing the calculation from the data collected based on the formula. Concentration of active ingredient equals to volume of titrant solution times concentration of titrant divided by volume of sample. For calculation example, if 25 ml of 0.1 molarity NaOH is used to neutralize the sample, the concentration of salicylic acid in the sample can be calculated. For instance, concentration salicylic acid equals to 0.1 molarity times 25 ml divided by volume of sample.
To conclude, volumetric analysis is an essential tool for guaranteeing the safety, uniformity, and quality of cosmetic items. Manufacturers can fulfill consumer expectations for dependable and efficient skincare and cosmetic goods while adhering to regulatory standards by precisely measuring and controlling the amounts of preservative, active chemicals, and other components. The integrity and reliability of the cosmetic business as a whole are enhanced by this analytical approach, which also help with product development and quality control. That's all from us. Thank you for watching.